Here's how to start building an investing portfolio with SoFi. Just a heads up, investing can be risky due to market fluctuations. It's a good idea to talk to a credentialed financial planner before investing. First, go to the Invest section in the SoFi app and tap Start Investing. Now you'll see the different types of investments that SoFi offers. We'll be focusing on the first option. Next up is building your SoFi Invest profile. We start with the usual info, then a few questions about your employment status and citizenship. And finally, you'll need to review some regulatory statements and legal stuff. Once that's done, you're ready to add money. You can use your SoFi Money account or another bank. Once connected, choose how much you'd like to deposit. You'll notice that your Invest tab has changed to show your account balance at the top. If you know what stock you want to buy, tap the search icon, enter the name of the business, and make an investment. If you're unsure what to buy, that's okay too. You can watch your favorite stocks until you're ready to jump in. There you go. We hope you have fun building a portfolio and that it helps you take the next step toward financial independence.